Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can earn money through Twitter, now known as X monetization. I'll share with you some of my accounts and show you the earnings I receive every 15 days. I'll also walk you through a live account to demonstrate how it works. Let's dive into the steps on how it all works. First, don't worry, everything is really easy. The first thing you'll need is a verified account with a blue checkmark, which costs $8. Next, you'll need 500 followers and 5 million views. If you're in a country outside of the USA or UK, you'll also need a VPN for Asian countries. You can buy this from us or get it organically. Our WhatsApp number is provided in the description, and you can also contact us via email. You can grow organically after getting the blue checkmark, but it takes time. Now, the big question: how do you actually get paid? For that, you'll need a Stripe or Payoneer account if you're outside the USA, because you'll need a US bank account. Your earnings will be based on engagement, specifically how many comments you get on your verified account. The more engagement you have, the higher your earnings will be. In the next video, I'll explain step by step how to set up your account properly. So, that's it for today's video on how to earn from Twitter. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.